ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? No, man, we kicking ass. You hear me? Oh, my bad. We supposed to be looking at the Cooking Love channel, y'all. Watch this shit. I'm gonna show y'all some magic, y'all. You hear me? No cap, man. There you go, Australia in the house. Whoa! Say y'all, pop out, rock out. Already, that's what it came. That's it. Australia is in the house, y'all. No cap, y'all. Check it out, y'all. Look at this channel, y'all. You hear me? No cap, y'all. Oh, this the other channel. Well, that's the other channel, y'all. You hear me? That's my other channel. You did. We ain't playing no games. You hear me? Yeah, I hit 200 subscribers, y'all. You did. I told y'all we gonna get this bitch at 2. The other channel finna get it at 4. We ain't playing no games, y'all. Yeah, but look at this, the money maker right here. Look at that badass channel right there. Look at that, y'all. Cooking, loving more. Yeah. Yeah. Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot tamale. Look at this shit. I know them haters mad when they see this shit. How the hell he just do this shit? How the hell he just do this shit? Yeah, make them haters mad. Catch up. I told y'all to catch up. Taking over this shit. You hear me, Craig? Ah, look at them numbers. Look at them numbers. Damn, look at them numbers. Yeah, them haters need to look at this. You hear me? Them haters need to see this shit. You better catch up, because I know you're watching me. That's what y'all tell them haters. You better catch up. Oh, man, just being myself, bro. Just being myself, bro. You already know. Personality sales, bro. Don't be stuck up. I show love. Just like how you came to this channel. That's how they came to that channel. Showing love. Popping out. That's it, bro. Um, That's what it is. People see a real person on them showing love. Ain't being stuck up. You know. You just gonna come to the channel. No cap. Just like how you came, bro. You know what I'm talking about? We keep it 100. No cap. So, hey, like I tell y'all, man, say, pop out. Be yourself. It gonna show. You hear me? You gonna get everybody to come to your channel, man. No cap. You just gotta be on this bitch popping your shit. Not worry about nobody. This is your channel. You pop it. Your channel. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, man. You gotta be on this bitch. Hey, you your own director. You hear me? You be on this bitch. Say it's your show. You hear me? No cap. Don't let nobody get on this bitch talking no trash. You get on it. You hear me? Yeah, that's why people come to this channel because they already know me. I would talk shit and I would show love. No cap. You gonna get what you dish out. No cap. It's 50-50 on my channel. You hear me? You come with that bullshit, I'm gonna give you some bullshit. Yeah, that's how it is, y'all. Yo, I ain't finna play. Oh no, I don't sugarcoat shit. You finna get it. And I don't care, you two might put it at what they say, 18 and up. Yeah, because if I go fed on this bitch, they already gonna know. We gotta put this in 18 up. You talking too bad, boy. Okay. Yeah, y'all no cap. So y'all already know me, man. Pop out, rock out, man. We the best channel, y'all hear me? No cap, man. All my channels, you hear me? So you better subscribe to all of them because they all gonna be popping. You hear me? No cap, man. We taking over the game, y'all. Much love to everybody. Pop out, rock out. Yeti. We ain't playing no game. We laughing at the haters now, y'all. We laughing at their ass now. You hear me? Got their ass stuck. Been on that. They been stuck for a whole damn month down there. You hear me? Oh shit! Yeah, I'm watching my haters. I gotta watch my haters. You hear me? Hell yeah. Gotta watch that. Hell yeah, you gotta watch. They thought they was the shit. Now they ain't shit. So yeah, you gotta watch them. Yeah, they like you just watch them. Just look at their channel, start laughing at that motherfucker. Motherfucker, sorry in a bit now. What happened? What happened? God dog. Woo. That's that good shit. Besides, y'all, I told y'all, man, pop y'all channel. I told y'all that's the main thing, y'all. Be yourself, pop your channel. Yeah, you gonna get your shit rocking. I mean, haters, they gonna be mad because they know you gonna stay alive and their channel ain't gonna be shit. Yeah. Dropping that bullshit ass video now. Y'all hear me? Bullshit ass video. They don't know what to do no more. You hear me? I took your soul.